Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today's video will delve into the incredible benefits of incorporating olive oil into your daily routine, mainly when consumed on an empty stomach. Olive oil has long been celebrated for its numerous health benefits, from promoting heart health to aiding in weight loss and even managing conditions like diabetes. By understanding the impact of olive oil consumption on our overall well-being, you can make informed choices to enhance your health and vitality. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and a powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for your health. Rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil offers many benefits that can positively impact your well-being. One key benefit of consuming olive oil on an empty stomach is its ability to promote heart health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help lower harmful cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, the antioxidants in olive oil protect the heart from oxidative stress and inflammation, further supporting cardiovascular health. Moreover, olive oil has been shown to aid in weight loss and management. When consumed on an empty stomach, olive oil can help kickstart your metabolism, leading to increased fat burning throughout the day. Its satiating properties also help curb cravings and keep you feeling full for longer, making it a valuable addition to any weight loss regimen. Incorporating olive oil into their daily routine can significantly benefit individuals managing diabetes. Olive oil helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable tool in managing diabetes and reducing the risk of complications associated with the condition. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine is not just about reaping individual benefits. It is about fostering overall well-being. Making olive oil a part of your daily diet nourishes your body with essential nutrients and promotes long-term health and vitality. Whether drizzled over salads, used in cooking, or consumed on its own, the versatility of olive oil makes it easy to incorporate into any diet. Stay tuned as we explore the benefits of consuming olive oil on an empty stomach and how it can transform your health and well-being. Olive oil is not just a kitchen staple. It is a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being when consumed regularly on an empty stomach. In this segment, we will explore the myriad ways olive oil can enhance your health, from promoting heart health and reducing inflammation to improving digestion and gut health and boosting immunity. Regarding heart health, olive oil shines as a star player. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil helps lower harmful cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can kickstart your day with healthy fats supporting cardiovascular function and overall well-being. Olive oil is known for its cardiovascular benefits and anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a host of health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine can help reduce inflammation, promote better overall health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, olive oil is crucial in promoting improved digestion and gut health. The healthy fats in olive oil help lubricate the digestive tract, aiding in the smooth passage of food and promoting regular bowel movements. Consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can kickstart your digestive system, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption and gut health throughout the day. One of olive oil's key benefits is its antioxidant properties, which boost immunity and protect the body from oxidative stress. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing cellular damage and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating olive oil into your daily routine, you can fortify your immune system and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Consuming olive oil regularly on an empty stomach offers many health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. From promoting heart health and reducing inflammation to improving digestion and gut health and boosting immunity, olive oil is a versatile and valuable addition to any diet. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the transformative power of olive oil and its impact on your health and vitality. Olive oil weight loss. This segment will explore the fascinating relationship between olive oil consumption and weight loss, particularly when taken on an empty stomach. Olive oil's unique properties make it a valuable ally in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Let's explore how olive oil boosts metabolism, promotes satiety, and supports weight loss goals. One fundamental way olive oil contributes to weight loss is by boosting metabolism. When consumed on an empty stomach, olive oil can kickstart your body's metabolic processes, increasing fat burning throughout the day. The body quickly metabolizes monounsaturated fats in olive oil, providing a steady energy source and supporting efficient calorie burning. Moreover, olive oil's satiating properties are crucial in weight management. Consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can help curb cravings and keep you full for extended periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can promote a sense of fullness and satisfaction that supports your weight loss efforts. While olive oil can be a valuable tool in weight loss, it is essential to practice portion control and maintain a balanced diet alongside its consumption. Incorporating olive oil into a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help you meet your nutritional needs while supporting your weight management goals. You can create a well-rounded eating plan that promotes overall health and well-being by combining olive oil with various nutrient-dense foods. Numerous success stories and studies have highlighted the effectiveness of olive oil in weight loss. Research has shown that individuals who consume olive oil regularly as part of a balanced diet experience more significant weight loss and improved body composition than those who do not. Success stories from individuals who have incorporated olive oil into their weight loss journey often cite increased energy levels, reduced cravings, and sustainable weight loss as critical benefits of olive oil consumption. In conclusion, when consumed on an empty stomach, olive oil can be a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. By boosting metabolism, promoting satiety, and supporting overall health, olive oil offers a natural and effective way to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Stay tuned as we explore more tips and strategies for incorporating olive oil into your weight loss regimen and achieving your wellness goals. Olive oil treatment for diabetes. In this segment, we will explore the potential benefits of using olive oil as a treatment option for diabetes. Olive oil's unique properties make it a promising addition to a diabetic diet, offering potential benefits in regulating blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting overall health. Let's delve into how olive oil may play a role in managing diabetes and enhancing well-being. One fundamental way olive oil can benefit individuals with diabetes is by helping regulate blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil have been shown to positively impact blood glucose control, helping to stabilize sugar levels and reduce spikes in blood sugar after meals. Additionally, olive oil may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to better respond to insulin and effectively utilize glucose for energy. It is important to note that while olive oil shows promise as a treatment option for diabetes, individuals should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating it into their diabetic diet. A healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance on how to integrate olive oil into a balanced meal plan, taking into account individual health needs, medication interactions, overall dietary considerations. Working with a healthcare professional ensures that olive oil is used safely and effectively as part of a comprehensive diabetes management strategy. Numerous testimonials and research studies support the positive effects of olive oil on individuals with diabetes. Testimonials from individuals who have incorporated olive oil into their diabetic diet often highlight improved blood sugar control, increased energy levels, and enhanced overall well-being. Research studies have also shown that olive oil consumption can lead to better glycemic control, reduced inflammation, and improved cardiovascular health in diabetic individuals. Olive oil holds promise as a treatment option for diabetes, offering potential benefits in regulating blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting overall health. By consulting a healthcare professional and incorporating olive oil into a balanced diabetic diet, individuals with diabetes can harness the power of this natural remedy to enhance their well-being and manage their condition effectively. Stay tuned as we explore the role of olive oil in diabetes management and its impact on health outcomes. This simple dietary addition can profoundly impact your health and well-being. From promoting heart health and reducing inflammation to aiding in weight loss and potentially serving as a treatment option for diabetes, olive oil offers many benefits that can transform your overall health. In weight loss, olive oil's ability to boost metabolism, promote satiety, and aid in fat burning makes it a valuable ally in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, for individuals managing diabetes, olive oil shows promise in regulating blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting overall well-being. While the benefits of olive oil consumption are clear, it is essential to emphasize the importance of consulting a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. A healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance on how to incorporate olive oil into your daily routine safely and effectively, taking into account your individual health needs, medication interactions, and dietary considerations. Working with a healthcare provider ensures that you can harness the full potential of olive oil while optimizing your health outcomes. Consider incorporating olive oil into your daily routine to experience its transformative benefits. Whether drizzled over salads, used in cooking, or consumed on its own, olive oil is a versatile and delicious addition to any diet that can support your health goals and enhance your well-being. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on health and wellness. By staying connected, you can continue to explore valuable insights, tips, and strategies for optimizing your health and living your best life. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards better health through the power of olive oil.